નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 8 subject social science chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is What is Around Us. Dear children, today we have done the revision part 4. Which part? Dear children, part number 4. You know very well that in part number 3 we have already learned about the biosphere. Which one? Biosphere. And you know very well that the biosphere, it means they have to include it above 3 sphere. So dear children, we have already learned the types of the sphere. Mean total 4 types of the sphere is there. One is a lithosphere concerned with the solid part. Second one is a hydrosphere concerned with the liquid part. Third one is an atmosphere concerned with the gaseous form, and fourth one is a biosphere. Biosphere, it means they include the above 3 sphere included into the biosphere. So dear children, in revision part 4 we have today learned that which human activities are pollute the earth and what is the end result. What happened there, dear children? Here I am written there which kind of the human activity pollute the earth and what is the end of the result. Or in the second form, you have to also question ask that if man determine the earth due to his activity, then what will be its effect on the sphere of the earth? Explain. Now dear children, you know very well that knowingly or unknowingly, what happened there? Knowingly or unknowingly, human being undertake the many activities for satisfying their selfish motive. In the term, this activity may harm the sphere of the earth. Which activities are harm the sphere of the earth? This activity, knowingly or unknowingly, doing by the human being for satisfying their self motive. The imbalance in the human activity poses a grave danger for the sphere of the earth. Yes, children, you know very well that the imbalance in the human activity poses a grave danger for the sphere of the earth. Now dear children, first we see that which kind of the damage activity or damage causes due to the lithosphere by the human beings. Our land has been damaged due to much boring done in the earth for the water and the minerals. The earth is drilled again and again for its resources. The excessive use of fertilizer also harm the land. Atomic research carried out in the interior of the earth is also the harm it. So dear children, these all are the damages caused to the lithosphere by the human beings. Second one, they have given the damages caused to the hydrosphere. Then we know that the impurity of the village and the city. What happened there, dear children? The impurity of the village and cities and industrial waste are dumped into the water body, thus making the water impure. Which activity making the water impure? That industrial waste are dumped into the water bodies. With the rising the global temperature, the snow of polar region and mountain has been to melt. Aquatic creatures are killed and water is polluted when oil spill take place and industrial and chemical waste are deposited in the water. This is the great damage caused by the hydrosphere. Which one? Aquatic creatures are killed and water is polluted when oil spill take place and industrial and chemical waste are deposited into the water. Next one, the damage is caused to the atmosphere by the human being. With the increasing the number of the vehicle, the proportion of carbon monoxide increase in the air. Dear children, what happened then? Due to increasing population, there is also the great demand of the increasing the vehicles. So increasing the number of the vehicle, the proportion of carbon monoxide increase in the air. As a human cut the tree, the level of the carbon dioxide is increased in the air. More the carbon dioxide, mode is the proportion of the heat in the air. In this way, the human activity harm the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. When these three spheres are imbalanced, it is harmful to the biosphere. So dear children, you know very well that when these three spheres is imbalanced, these three spheres are imbalanced, they can directly affect the harmful to the biosphere. Now next one, are the sphere of the earth is interrelated? If they are interrelated, then how this all the sphere of the are interrelated with each other? The four sphere of the earth, dear children, you know very well that in the types of the sphere, mean four sphere of the lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere are highly interrelated with each other. Living organisms exist and sustain only due to the suitable environmental condition created by these four spheres. Dear children, you know very well that living organism exists and sustain only due to the suitable environment condition created by these four spheres. Then with these four spheres, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and the biosphere. The lithosphere provides a base for the living of organism. Dear children, you know very well that the lithosphere provides a base for the living of the organism. It means here, lithosphere it means solid portion, land portion. It provides the land for the construction, agriculture, industry, and it also provides the water resources. These all things provided by the lithosphere. The hydrosphere provides, what happened there? The hydrosphere provides water necessary for the existence, evolution. So what happened there, dear children? The hydrosphere provides the water necessary for the existence, evolution and sustainable of the life. Apart from this, what happened there? Apart from this, valuable chemical, mineral, salt, fishes, hydroelectricity etc. are available from the hydrosphere. From where these things are to be available? Then chemical, mineral, salt, fishes and hydroelectricity are available from the hydrosphere. The atmosphere, dear children, you know very well that the atmosphere provides air which is necessary for the life of the organisms. What happened there, dear children? The atmosphere provides the air which is necessary for the life of the organisms. We are able to listen to the sound only due to the medium of the atmosphere. What happened there, dear children? We remember, we are able to listen the sound only due to the medium of the atmosphere. Thus, it is only due to the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere that life has evolved on the earth. What happened there? That's why we can say that only due to the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere life has evolved on the earth. Living organisms obtain food from the plants. Dear children, you know very well that the living organisms are obtaining their food from the plant which grow on the land. That means lithosphere feed themselves on water. It means the hydrosphere, and the survive due to air. It is known as the atmosphere. Repeat the same thing. What happened then, dear children? Living organism, it means living organism obtain their food from the plant, and this plant which grow on the land, it means it is known as a lithosphere. Feed themselves on the water. This plant feed themselves on the water. It is known as a hydrosphere. And the survive due to the air, it is known as an atmosphere. So the sphere which include all the three sphere. What happened there, dear children? The sphere which include all these three sphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, is called as a biosphere. What is called as a biosphere? Biosphere, it means it include all the three sphere. Thus we can say that, dear children, so what happened? Thus we can say that the four sphere of the earth have a very strong interrelation among them. Due to that, we can say that what happened is thus the interrelation among them. So dear children, in revision part 4, today we have to learn about that which kind of the human activity pollute the earth and how this sphere, it means how these four types of the sphere of the earth are interrelated with each other. Thank you dear children.
Thank you for joining us